Hello and welcome. Today, we're going to get into the idea that this world, this reality, may not be as real as it seems. What if I told you that you are living in a simulation? And more importantly, is there a way to exit it? It might sound like something from a science fiction movie, but I want to share with you a simple truth about the nature of your reality. The truth is, the world you're experiencing is shaped by your own consciousness. The outer world is a reflection of your inner state. Everything you see, hear, and experience is a product of your beliefs, thoughts, and feelings. The people, events, and circumstances that show up in your life are not random, they are mirrors of the thoughts and beliefs that reside in your mind. So, if you can change your inner world, you can change the outer world as well. This is the key to exiting the simulation. But before we get deeper into how to exit, let's first understand what this simulation really is. It's not a physical place, but a mental construct, a creation of your own mind. We are living in a world where everything is based on assumptions, beliefs, and expectations. We've been conditioned to believe that reality is something external to us, that the world is fixed, and that we have little control over what happens. But the truth is, you are the creator of your own reality. The only reason you're experiencing this simulation is because you've accepted the illusion that you are separate from the world around you, and that your reality is not yours to shape. So, how do we exit this simulation? The first step is to realize that you are not the victim of your circumstances. You are the creator of your circumstances. You've been taught to believe that you are at the mercy of the world around you, that your success, happiness, and even your sense of peace are dependent on what happens outside of you. But this is a lie. The truth is, everything you experience in life is a reflection of your inner state. Your thoughts, your beliefs, your feelings, they all create the world around you. Now, I know it can be hard to grasp this concept at first. After all, we've all been conditioned to believe in the physical world as the ultimate reality. But I want you to take a moment and consider something. How many times in your life have you had a thought or a desire, and then, sometime later, that thought or desire manifested in your reality? This is not a coincidence. It is the law of attraction at work, the law that states that like attracts like. Your thoughts and feelings are magnetic, and they draw experiences that match your inner state. The key to exiting the simulation lies in taking full responsibility for your thoughts and feelings. You are not a passive observer of your life. You are the creator. And once you realize this, everything changes. No longer do you need to react to the world around you. Instead, you can create the world you want to experience. So, how do you begin to change your inner world? The first step is to become aware of your thoughts. Take a moment each day to check in with yourself and notice the thoughts that are running through your mind. Are they thoughts of lack, fear, or limitation? Or are they thoughts of abundance, possibility, and power? Your thoughts are the foundation of your reality, so it's crucial to become conscious of what you're thinking. If your thoughts are negative or limiting, change them. Replace them with thoughts that empower you, thoughts that align with the life you want to create. Next, pay attention to your emotions. Your emotions are a powerful indicator of the thoughts you are thinking. When you feel good, it's a sign that you are aligned with your true self, with your highest potential. When you feel bad, it's a sign that you are out of alignment with your true self. The key to exiting the simulation is to train yourself to feel good, no matter what is happening around you. This doesn't mean ignoring your emotions or pretending that everything is perfect. It means acknowledging your emotions and choosing to shift them. It means focusing on thoughts that make you feel empowered, confident, and at peace. The next step is to change your beliefs. Your beliefs are the lens through which you view the world. If you believe that the world is a harsh and unforgiving place, that's what you will experience. But if you believe that the world is a place of endless possibility, that's what you will experience. You have the power to change your beliefs, and in doing so, you change the very nature of the simulation you are living in. One of the most powerful tools for changing your beliefs is visualization. Visualization is the process of imagining the life you want to create, seeing it in your mind's eye as if it has already happened. When you visualize, you are programming your subconscious mind to accept your new beliefs as true. This is a key part of exiting the simulation, changing the beliefs that have kept you trapped in a limited reality. But visualization alone is not enough. You must also take inspired action. This means acting in alignment with the life you want to create, even when it doesn't make sense or when fear tries to hold you back. Action is the bridge between your inner world and your outer world. When you take action, you are telling the universe that you believe in your vision, that you trust in the process, and that you are ready to step into the life you've always dreamed of. As you begin to change your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, you will start to notice shifts in your outer world. The people around you will begin to change, opportunities will begin to appear, and your circumstances will start to align with your desires. The simulation you have been living in will begin to dissolve, and you will step into a new reality, one that is created by your consciousness and aligned with your true desires. One of the most powerful ways to speed up this process is to practice gratitude. Gratitude is the key to unlocking abundance. When you are grateful for what you have, you send a powerful signal to the universe that you are open to receiving more. Gratitude shifts your energy from lack to abundance, and this shift is one of the most powerful ways to change your reality. Now, you might be wondering how long it will take to exit the simulation. The truth is, it depends on you. It depends on how committed you are to changing your inner world. The more you focus on your thoughts, emotions, and beliefs, the faster you will see results. But it's important to remember that this is not a quick fix. Exiting the simulation requires consistent effort and dedication. It requires you to take full responsibility for your life and to trust in your ability to create the reality you want. As you continue on this path, remember that you are not alone. There are countless others who are waking up to the truth of their own power, and together, we can create a new reality, a reality where we are no longer trapped in a limited simulation, but where we are free to create and experience the life of our dreams. So, I ask you to take a moment now and reflect on what you truly want in life. What kind of world do you want to live in? What kind of person do you want to become? You have the power to create it. You have the power to exit the simulation and step into a reality that is more aligned with your true self. The key is to recognize that you are the creator, and that you have everything you need within you to create the life you desire. The world is not as it seems. It's a reflection of your inner world. Change your thoughts, change your beliefs, and change your emotions, and you will change your reality. The simulation is not real, it's a mental construct that you have the power to break free from. All it takes is the awareness of your own power and the willingness to step into a new reality. This is the path to freedom. This is the way to exit the simulation. So take that first step. Change your thoughts, change your beliefs, change your emotions, and take inspired action. The world is waiting for you to step into your power. And when you do, you will see just how magical and abundant life truly is. The simulation will dissolve, and you will step into a reality that is beyond anything you've ever imagined. The power has always been within you. It's time to use it. Now, before we finish, if this message resonates with you and you feel inspired to make these changes in your life, I'd love for you to like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you found this content helpful and motivating, please consider sharing it with others who might benefit from it as well. By subscribing, you'll receive more content like this, and we can continue this journey together. If you're committed to changing your life, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe so that you can receive regular insights and tips that will help you stay aligned with your goals.